My hair better than yours. I think we can do a bounce and check. I've got the hair shampoo. Oh, I need a mic, which I completely forgot about. I want to start, but I don't know from where. Should I start from hair oiling or nighttime routine? I think let's just start. Hi guys, welcome to.
एक मिनट मेरे पे ये क्यों चालू कर रही है?
Because it's a hair care video for girls.
तो बालों से तो मुझे खेलना है ना.
Get out. Get out and let me
I
start.
just thought to say hi to you guys, hi and bye.
Bye.
A few moments later.
Anyway, hi guys, welcome to Jin Got Her Shield. I am Chaitali and the monkey that you saw going is my husband Harshil. So I know a lot of girls have asked me about my hair care routine and it's a little intense care that I do. I had a lot of thick hair in my early 20s. I think a lot of things affected. Water change, a lot of products change, the environment matters, the food that I used to intake, everything matters, and that's where my hair thinning started. Since past 5-6 years, I've started to take care of my hair a lot. There are a lot of products that I've tried and tested. So yeah, we are going to go through this hair care routine together and see what suits you the best. Okay, so little disclaimer before we move ahead. My hair type currently is frizzy. It's a little rough if I don't style it or don't blow dry it. And my hair has gone through 10 to 12 times of hair color, that is global or highlights. If you're someone who's thinking of doing a hair color completely like global or highlights, don't.
कोई सेंस है इस बात की?
That was one of the major things because of which my hair has been extremely damaged. Disclaimer number 2. All the products that I'm using in this video that I use for myself may not necessarily be working on your hair type. Please remember that I am no expert. These products is what I've tried and tested for my hair and works really fine for me. Certain products that doesn't work for me or for my hair is because of salty water and the environment, of course. So please keep all these things in mind. So yes, let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I do is hair oiling. Very important. I've heard people say don't oil your hair. Oil your hair. Keep your hair all night or a couple of days. For me, what works well is that I oil my hair an hour before I wash it. That's what has worked for me. I cannot keep it overnight because the moment I wake up in the morning, my hair falls a lot. Now, what oil do I use? So basically, my first and foremost go-to hair oil is this Coco Soul's virgin coconut oil, which is cold pressured. So what I do is I take this oil as much as I want and I use Soulflower's rosemary oil and I put like 4 to 5 drops in it, mix it well, and I use this on my hair. This works wonder for my hair, and as it is said, rosemary oil is something which stimulates hair growth. Another hair oil that I use, and these are for the days when I feel my hair has gone really rough, or if I'm in a wedding and a lot of styling has happened, this is the oil that I use. This is also from Soulflower and it's rosemary and lavender together. This is a little thick in texture, gives a lot of conditioning to my hair, so I use this one. Another one that I've recently discovered, and this is my second bottle already, is Dr. Sue's Rescue Hair Nourishing Oil. I used it, finished it, and this is my second bottle. This is also great. So you can try one of them. It will work wonders for you. So before you start oiling your hair, remember that you need to brush out your hair with a broader comb so that जो भी बाल आपके बीक हैं वो निकल जाए, because oiling में when you massage it, we tend to get a lot of hair fall. I usually mix the oil, keep it ready in a bottle, and I just use a dropper to drop it and then I just massage it. Do not use nails. Just use your fingers, this thing, and just massage it and you're good to go. You need to make sure that entire scalp is nicely oiled. I then use head massager. This is a holy grail product that I've discovered. I love massages. So after oiling it, I make sure of massaging it, and I usually do it on the opposite direction. So if my hair is falling this side, I'll take all my hair here and then I'll massage it this way. So yes, this is how I oil my hair, keep it for an hour and wash it. After oiling your hair, don't put it in a bun or as a pony, don't tie it that way. Just make a braid. Don't do anything. If possible, I don't even tie a rubber band. And if you wish to tie a rubber band, just get a silk scrunchie.
मजा आया.
Lifesaver. And if you get hair fall during oiling your hair, it's completely normal. And now it's time for hair wash. So what products do I need? The products here, which I don't have it. Alright, we've got the hair wash products. Starting with how I wash my hair, what all products do I use? So basically, when you're washing your hair, I know it's cold, we can't shower with cold water, but just try to not use extremely hot water on your hair when you're washing it.
Money.
It harms your hair in every possible manner. Now coming to what shampoo I use. So I've used a lot of shampoo, Moroccan oil, Kerastase, L'Oreal, Pantene, you name it, and I've used it. However, what has stuck me the most is L'Oreal's Density Advance. This was the shampoo given to Herschel when he went for haircut, which didn't work for him. So ultimately I had to use it and it worked wonder for my hair. No other shampoo works the best than this one for me. The other shampoo that I really enjoyed was this L'Oreal's moisturizing shampoo that I also did a reel on and love it. Another shampoo that I use is Olaplex number 4. This is basically for people who have damaged hair, who has colored their hair. It's a very small bottle, very expensive one. So I use it only once a week. That too if it's necessary. I do see how it repairs my hair. When I use this, it works wonder. But very expensive, so we week mein ek hi baar use karte hain. The next product is conditioner. Now before that, I'm going to tell you a product that I recently started using. It's magic. So I got this product from US. If you all have been following us for a very long time, you'd know we went to US where Herschel's best friend is staying, and he was coming to India in October, and I just saw a reel about this product and people were crazy about it. So I was like, let's just ask for it, and asked for 2 bottles, and thank God I did because it is magic. So this one is from L'Oreal and it's called 8-Second Wonder Water, and I swear to God, this is a holy grail. So this is basically a shine boost, a protein water. You need to use 20 ml and they have, I'm not too sure if you can see, but they have given the amount here. So 20 ml on your strands of your hair for 8 seconds. You put this water, massage it for 8 seconds and wash it off. The shine, the softness, it's incredible. I don't know how much does it cost because of course Herschel ka best friend hai. Why would I pay for it? I am sure that this is not available in India. So I'm very sorry, but if you have someone coming, just order a bottle and you will thank me later for this. After that, what I do is, it's actually said to use it like 3 to 4 times a week. मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा use नहीं करना है, so I use it 2 times a week, and other 2 times I use this conditioner. The Range by L'Oreal, this shampoo and conditioner, oh my God, it's so good. Softest hair ever. However, it doesn't work for my mother-in-law, so I don't know how will it work for other hair, but I love it. I love it. It's so good. Another option that I have, and I ordered it like very long back. So this is from Beauty and Planet, Argan Oil and Lavender Conditioner. Again, a very good product. I didn't like the shampoo, so yeah, but the conditioner, nice. The last product that I have is, so this is basically a mask, fermented rice water and bamboo hair mask from Nykaa. I love it. I use it like 15-20 days mein ek baar. So this is also gold. After washing your hair with these products, the very important thing that you need to do is, do not use your towel on your head. No, don't do it. It's been 5 to 6 years. I've been using a very old cotton t-shirt, patla, fata hua, to dry my hair. So the moment I am out of the shower, I tie my hair, wet hair, with that particular t-shirt. It will keep the moisture intact because I feel ke towels mein, it just makes it more dry. That's what I feel. Yeah, that's all for my hair washing. I don't do anything else. I know ye bhi bahut sara tha, but it's just different products. But am I forgetting something? Hair wash में shampoo, water bond, conditioner, mask. नहीं, इतना ही है. So yeah. Alright, let's move on to how I... Sorry. अरे हो जा बंद.
A few moments later.
How I style my hair. A lot of you people have asked about this as well. So basically what
Sorry guys, बहुत टाइम हो गया था the singer. Bye Gino. Bye Gino. Bye guys.
Okay, so what I do is, as I said previously, Purana t-shirt use karo to dry your hair. So once you remove it, you'd see it here that I use a Dyson to style my hair, dry my hair. Sorry, before I use any styling tools, this is the product that I use. This is a leave-in conditioner by again L'Oreal. Hey, L'Oreal wale kuch zyada hi अच्छे product बना रहे. Good job. Okay, so this is called Dream Lens No Haircut Cream. I don't know, it just makes my hair feel soft. And Harshil also uses it, so I'm like, okay, मैं अकेली नहीं हूँ जिसको अच्छा लगता है. Now, like I use a blow dryer from Dyson and I just blow dry my hair very ऊपर से ही. Like I don't do it here, but I just do it ऊपर से. Now, after drying my hair, I basically use the Dyson brush to comb out my hair and make it straight because I like my hair straight and then curled from the bottom. And then I use two products. This one is by Osis. It's a flat liner heat protection spray. So this one I use it every time I have to use any styling tool, be it straightener, be it curler, be it my Dyson, anything. So when I have like extreme heat that I have to give it to my hair. Now after that, when I'm taking small sections to brush with the Dyson, this is the product that I use. Wow, it's called the Dream Coat Supernatural Spray. This is very expensive here, so if you have someone coming in from any other countries, ask them to get it for you and don't pay them. Just tell them it's a gift from them to you. So yes, this is another one. Now this you need to spray it on the section, so you can't like spray it all over and then use it. When you blow dry, you have to give that pressure to activate this product. So yes, that is when I use it, when I have to brush it out the small sections. Now, usually what people do to keep their hair curled for a longer time, a hold spray that will keep it for a very long time, but I always feel that it's very hard on my hair. Though I used to use it, but now I don't anymore because I have found something that gives nourishment to my hair as well as it keeps the hold. If the hair is wet and then you style it, it will stay for a very long time, very long time. So if you notice that when I was oiling my hair was actually curled, and that was 4 days back of hair curl. This is a product that I spray on my ends when I want to curl it. So I also use those on sections. So this is Natural Promote Hair Growth Water by Soulflower, which I use it on my ends and my hair at the end of Raat ko. I just spray a little bit on my hair. But this is what I use for styling my hair, and it stays for so many days. So it's too good. Get this. बाकी सब skip कर दो. Get this. So other question that has been asked to me is, how do I get bounce to my hair? So my hair actually is naturally bouncy. If you don't have it and if you still want that bounce, I have a video here of how I'm getting the bounce, so you can just check it out. It's just the round brush from Dyson that I'm using. I just keep it for like give 10 to 15 seconds of heat and 10 to 12 seconds of cold shot, and that's how and then I leave it. So that's how I get the bounce. Okay, so that's that. Now, nighttime routine, which I hate क्योंकि हम बहुत आलसी हैं, but we have to do it because अच्छा दिखना है, अच्छे बाल चाहिए. Okay, so what do I do to keep my hair healthy at night? So before I go off to sleep, there is a hair growth product that I use. I've been using this for like 5 to 6 months now, and it's a water-based formula. It's too good. It's from The Ordinary Hair Growth Serum. It has multi-peptide in it. Too good. Just 5 to 6 drop of it on the scalp, and with your fingers or the head massage brush that I showed, you can use that. Another option, however, this is on a little expensive side, from Wishcare. It's again hair growth serum, water-based. Ordinary one is also water-based, so you can use this 5 to 6 drops on your scalp every night for rigorous few months, and you will get hair growth. Use that. So, and I hate it when I wake up in the morning and I see a lot of hair fall on my pillow. Now, don't call me crazy, but I also carry a Mulberry silk pillowcase cover to every place I go. रात को सोना हो, दोपहर को सोना हो, whatever, use this because this will not create friction in your hair and give you smooth hair, no hair fall in the morning. The first one I bought was बहुत महंगा, online लिया था, तो I decided कि ठीक है खुद ही fabric ले लो बनवा लो. That was a little cheaper, but if you want some suggestions, I'll leave it in the description so you can check out those websites. And of course, Silk Scrunchie. I got this storied from my sister. She's a sweetheart. So, sorry, Didi. Thank you. Now, the last thing. This is for all the girls who have craziest frizzy hair, especially in monsoon. Or if you live in an area where there is completely, what do you call it? Humid all the time. So, yes, this product is for that. I don't know how to pronounce it, so I'm just gonna skip it. But it is called Bond Repair Complex by Minimalist. Too good. I only use it in monsoon because that's when it is humid for me here. Like if you've seen Friends, Monica के बाल जब boing होते हैं तो it's the humidity. I get that. You have to apply on the length of your hair, not on the scalp. Keep it for 30 to 45 minutes and wash it off. It won't take away entire frizziness, but 50% of it. So it's just work with that. Okay, so that's all the products that I use for my hair and how I take care of my hair. But most
you are forgetting the most important ingredient, my love for you and your hair. And if you are single, don't you worry, self-love is the most important.
We love you too. Message us, we will talk to you. Alright. Go. So apart from his thing, most important thing that you need to take care is your health. No matter what all products you use, whatever things you use, if you're not happy from your gut, it's not going to help. So make sure that you eat clean. I eat a lot of palak, gives you a lot of iron. Winter is here, so you can eat a lot of amla. Make sure that you are not stressing. So yes, I hope this was helpful to you. Please don't buy all the products in one go. Just use something that works well for you, and that's how you do it. If you have a lot of friends and family, and if they're using any of those products, I take like few samples and I use it on my hair to see if it works wonders for me. So yeah, if you're someone who has very natural hair in terms of silkiness or styling, like if you have straight hair or if you have curly hairs, and if you don't wish to style your hair and don't want that shine or anything, then you can skip those products and try not to use a lot of styling too. And if you do, always use a heat protectant. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments and I'll help you out. And I'm going to mention the link and the product name of all of the things that I showed you in the description, so you can just directly click on it and buy it. Everything is available on Amazon and Nykaa, unless the two products that I talked about. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have anything else you'd want us or me to make a video on, just let us know and we'll be here for you again. See you in the next video. Bye. Oh, I forgot, water intake is necessary. 2 to 3 liters of water a day. Best thing for your hair and your skin and your stomach. Okay, bye.